Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. This is a 32-inch LG LCD TV. In this TV the complaint is picture freezing along with lines on display, and after 10 to 30 seconds of working it goes to blank display. See, this is the fault. Mainly these types of complaints are related with the LVDS cable. It's not a panel complaint, and permanent solution is replacing LVDS cable with alternate one. See friends, finally here we replaced LVDS cable. This is the old cable. Now after replacing the cable, now picture is crystal clear. So that's it, hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.